Hello and welcome to another video. So this one is mostly about the time around Dad's birthday and how we celebrated during lockdown. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. There's a bit of everything in there, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So a quick garden tour update. Lupin, Aquilegia, tomato plants, more lupins. So it's the 25th of May today. Herbs for cooking: rosemary, parsley, chive, mint, rosemary, lavender. She's just moved. Hi. This is the old washroom area. And then, as you can see, work is still ongoing. Here we have courgettes, which have been planted out a week ago in the old tractor tyres. This area is being remodelled. Now we've got courgettes, blackcurrant, broccoli, strawberry, rhubarb, turnips, something like that. Need to do this area at the back, chard, and then Nick's having his lunch. Here's the washroom, redoing this bit of the campsite. So it's nearly June and we are nearly finished. Have you locked the door? Yeah. Oh, so that's the end of that then. Is she gonna hop it off? Bambi baby! So our little lamb Bambi, who we've been feeding since Saturday, she's very wooden on her legs. She's had some selenium. She's being bottle fed 3 times a day and she's just about holding on. We sprayed her blue so we can recognise her. And it's a scorchio afternoon. She was just chilling out here. I don't blame her. Look at those views. The sheep are tending to favour the shade today. She goes, having a poo. That's a good sign. Loving the views this afternoon. Life feels good, doesn't it? So it's Dad's birthday tomorrow and I'm attempting to do him a little lockdown family buffet. So this is what I've prepared. Potatoes with pesto and parsley, zucchini, courgette, a raw slaw that I've made. They are minted lamb balls, just some salady bits. I've got some Dale Farm beef sizzling and some peppers. And I think he's going to have maybe cider and I'm going to have Peak District water. So hopefully he'll like it. And I thought I would cook and prepare the meal up at the caravan as a little bit of a surprise for Dad, so then I could just call him up and go, Dad, dinner's ready, come up to the caravan and enjoy this feast. Oh, I've got another cat. Dad, how are you finding your pre-birthday dinner?
Lovely, a real treat, a real treat.
You don't come up on this campsite bit very often, do you?
No, not allowed.
Hello.
Bon appetit. Felix is standing guard, guarding Dale Farm from predators, which is next door's cat, Arthur. It's about 10 o'clock. I've just baked Dad's birthday cake, ready for tomorrow. It's been a wonderful, sunny, lovely day full of activities like gardening and swimming and all sorts. And I've made him this card which I'm hoping he's really going to like tomorrow when he opens it. So I'm just going to write it first. I don't know about you, but I always like to write a bit of a mini essay inside a birthday card. I think it's a nice thing to do. Share your thoughts, share your feelings, and share a little bit of my creativity as I painted it myself, and the cake. Chocolate cake goes next to lamb milk. Does it look like the business? Nobody uses those.
What's that for?
Don't know. Put in a croissant on.
Oh, I wasn't necessarily. Very exciting.
I'm sure it'll do the job.
I'm sure it'll do the job. Look at that. Oh, you've eaten up already?
Got some birthday cake assembly getting ready to go. So it's a chocolate sponge, doing my cherries, some jam that I had left over. That just needs to cool. It's the cherry juice which has been thickened. I'm going to put it all together and then maybe dust a little bit of cocoa powder over the top. So as I was assembling the cake, I spread the kind of jammy layer on and then the cherries. And when I put the second half on, I realised that the sponges were not equal. I'd obviously not quite levelled the mix right in the oven. So the whole cake was starting to look a bit lopsided. And the more that I tried to kind of squish it down, the worse it sort of got. So I just quit my losses, put some cocoa powder on and handed it over to the birthday boy. Here you go, Dad. It's a bit of a mess. It's a chocolate and cherry birthday cake. I don't know why it looks like that. Do you want to put it on the table? In there, I mean. And then when people come... Oh, Nick, you put it on the table. Why does it look like such a mess? I don't have a very good success record with the chocolate cakes. They tend to be a bit, I don't know. I was tired. Here are the birthday cards. A strong tractor and animal theme. He's just had his birthday crumpet. How's your birthday going?
Birthday going so far is brilliant. The celebration started last night with a surprise meal up at Joe's caravan out in the sunshine, and really, well, the views from there are just amazing. And then this morning I've had some nice cards, and I had this card from Joe, and I quite thought, you see cards like this in the arty shops. I never thought, and Joe's actually made it for me herself, so I'm very pleased with it. Well, this one from Peter, which is a
brilliant
tractor theme from Sarah.
That's lovely.
And yeah, very good.
Hopefully more to come.
Yeah, maybe not a lot more.
Hopefully a few more.
I've had quite a lot of notifications on timeline for well wishing for birthday.
Lots of well wishes on Instagram as well that I've not even passed on to you yet. And I've just picked these flowers this morning from the garden. Why not enjoy them in the house as well? Oh, dropped my knife.
Lot of love to you.
This is all going on YouTube. I know you didn't want to hang on any longer. Let's give it a cut. Maybe I will have some. Big piece. Keep you going till later.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go, Dad. Take it off the knife.
Is
that too big for you?
It's a big piece, but
You can murder that
murder it.
with a cup of tea. I've got a teeny tiny piece of cake for you. Thank you. Dad couldn't wait any longer. Are you having a good birthday?
Very good. Had some pleasures, some work. Had a little bit of industrious this morning. Got the old tyre ready for Joe to plant a courgette plant. Then I had a walk with Emma and Nora and Danny for an hour. Then we've been moving stone around this afternoon on the campsite.
And now...
And some lovely cake.
Yeah. Let's go feed Bambini. Get your crook, Nick. There she goes.
Blinking, you'll miss her.
You can see in her eyes that she's not well. I can tell in her face. So this is Doris, and she's sick. So she's got mastitis, we think. So she's had an injection. And because she's our pet sheep, we're worried, aren't we?
Very worried.
This is Doris's first time lambing. And she was bottle fed by me 2 years ago. So she is like so precious to me, and her health and her life is massively important. The little Highland calf is growing well. And that takes us to the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed watching, and there'll be more soon. The next one up is going to be a tractor show of all the tractors at Dale Farm.